Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on HUAWEI Mate 20X. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. And now select this application and click install. Now you have to click open and here click agree and continue. Now close this ad. Then click consent and you have to click on this button to start your VPN and then click OK. Now close this ad. And as you can see, I'm connected to VPN in Germany. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.